notice you there. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. And today we are playing, I forgot what it was called. Escape the Baby Obby. I just checked what the Obby was called. Wait, if you die, do you lose your face? Instead of hair? Yeah. Oh no, wait, your face gets turned the other way. Oh, no, I just died. Okay, so this stage is tricky. You don't want to touch the books. I just did it again. I keep dying on that one book. There's a ladybug on me. Okay, save myself. This obby seems to be very, very boring. Oh no! So it seems like we have to jump down here. And I think we get eaten by the big baby. There's a ladybug that just flew on me. Why is there ladybugs in my room? I don't know. Okay. Is that a flea? Sorry, my face was really itchy. Oh. Alright. Alright. Test 2. No face cam. Alright, let's do this. So, what's your favorite movie? I know this is a really weird question to ask, but before I turn my face cam back on, I just wanted to ask what your favorite movie is. You can comment down in the comment section below. I don't really mind what movie your favorite is. But my favorite movie is Disney Zombies. Then it goes that is actually my favorite Disney movie is Encanto. No wait, no, I meant Tangled. But then it's Encanto. Then Frozen, Moana. Then Disney Channel original movies goes by Zombies, Descendants 3, Zombies 2, Descendants 2, and then Descendants 1. I'm sorry I haven't turned back on my face cam yet. I will in a minute if I remember to. If I don't remember to, then my rest of my face will have like no video. Then you won't see my literally face for the rest of the video. Ah! I just died! Luckily I didn't have my face cam on doing that. You know, I might not actually turn it back on. Lol. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I will. Right now. Hi guys! I'll only turn off my face cam for ones I'm like super struggling on. So, yeah. Okay. Ah! Okay. Is this a maze? Okay. I'm turning off face cam. Okay, now that my face cam is off, I can continue. Alright, I'm gonna leave my face cam off for the rest of the video, actually. I'll turn it back on at the end. It's just easier not doing face cam. Okay. This is really easy. Okay. Okay! Okay! I spoke too soon! Ah! Okay. Another book stage? You know, I changed my mind. I turned back on my face cam. I thought I would, since this was originally a face cam video, I would continue to do a face cam video. But, let's see. Nope. Oh, it's green. Let's try. Alright, green. You're up. Alright. Say goodbye to my face, bee. Okay. Camera trick. Is it blue? Are you serious? It's green again. And hopefully this one it's yellow. Yup. Yellow. Oh! Ha! Not yet. This one. Alright. Last kiss the path. Which one is it gonna be? Green again? Alright. No more face cam right now. I'm not gonna be doing it. I'll turn it on every once in a while, but right now, no face cam. I just Alright. That one's hard. Literal benefit. Literal benefit. Benefit. Why did I say literal benefit? You want a fleek? Let's do this. Excuse me. Boom! Ah! I wish you would have saw my face impressions. I wish I had my face cam on sometimes when I do. I mean, I can see my face cam on some of my videos when I have face cam on, but it's off. But you guys can't see it. Anyways, let's get on going, boy. We gotta get going. We gotta escape this baby. Look at him. I think we're gonna get eaten. No problemo. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get eaten by him. Okay. No! He just ate us! Oh, I wish I would have had my webcam on, but okay. We gotta get going. Okay. Alright. Let me just get up. Whatever just on my back just killed me. Why am I a noob? Why in the world am I a noob? Alright, there we go. I almost just died. Alright, what's this? Okay. Alright. Where is this place? Is that a pie? Oh no, it's cake, right? Yeah, it's cake. Pizza? Why would a baby eat pizza? He ate the water bottle! Boy, this baby's crazy! This baby is super crazy. Nacho cheese. What is with this baby? He only ate one bite of this and then he just chopped the whole thing in his mouth. I'm in the hot dog. And almost there. Almost there. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, I beat the obby. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!